about the soil types. In the last class, we learned about that the soil provides anchorage to the plants. It is home to many living organisms. It provides nutrients to many plants, and it is used in agriculture. And we also learned that the soil is the most natural resource. So now we also learned about the soil, different layers of the soil. The topmost layer, we know that the soil is divided into 4 parts: the A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and the D horizon, or the bedrock. So the A horizon contained humus. What was humus? We also learned in the previous class. So now we will talk about the different soil types. How is soil formed? First of all, we will learn that. The soil is formed by the process of weathering. It is a natural phenomena which breaks down big rocks into very small particles. So the different types of soils are based on the proportion of small or big or fine particles of the rocks. So if the soil contains, we can say that large amount of, or the soil, if the soil contains large amount of large pieces of soil particles, then it is known as sandy soil. Anybody has doubt in sandy soil? What is sandy soil?
So sandy soil is basically which contains a large proportion of big particles.
Yes. So now we will go to the second type. The second type of the soil is clay soil. What is clay soil? If the soil contains large amount of fine particles or very small particles, it is known as clay soil. Clay soil. You can see the spelling. So the third type of the soil is loamy soil. Loamy. Loamy soil. What is loamy soil? What is loamy soil? The loamy soil consists of the big particles and the small particles in equal proportion. So we can say that it is a mixture of clay and sandy soil, or we can say it is in between clay and sandy soil, and it is the best soil to grow plants or agriculture. So now,
can you tell us some properties of these soils?
Yes. Now we have learned the different types of soil. Now we will go to the characteristics or properties of these types of soil. The first is the sandy soil. The sandy soil consists of big particles, so they cannot fit together.
How big are those particles? Are they big?
No.
Big particles?
No. These are like this much big. You can see this much big.
1 to mm.
Yes, 1 to mm.
2 mm, 3 mm. Something.
Yes, these are small but bigger than the normal particles of soil.
Bigger than the particles which you find in the clay soils.
Clay soil or loamy soil. So the proportion of larger size particles is more in sandy soil. So the particles do not fit closely. So there is air gap in between, and the water can also flow quickly through the sandy soil, as there is much space for the water to flow quickly. So by this we can say that the sandy soil is well aerated. The sandy soil does not contains or does not holds water for a much longer time. The water may flow very quickly. So, and these were the 3 characteristics of sandy soil. Now we move to clay soil. The particles of clay soil are very small. They are tightly packed or very closely packed. So there is very little air gaps in between, and the water also can also flow very slowly, because the air gaps are almost not there.
So it holds the water.
Yes, we can say that the clay soil holds the water for a much longer time. Now we come to loamy soil. The loamy soil has both big and small particles. So there is enough space for the air to come. It is not as much as sandy soil, not as low as the clay soil. So it has air gaps in like we can say that it is proper for plants to grow. And the water also the water holding capacity is also like we can say that it is appropriate for the plants to grow, and the water does not flows very quickly as in sandy soil, and not it stays in the soil for very much long time like clay soil. So loamy soil we can say is the best soil to grow plants. So these were the three types of soils. So now we have learned about the three types of soil. In the next class, we will learn about the properties of soil and the percolation rate of soil. Do you have any doubts?
Sir, I have one.
Yes.
What is agriculture?
What is agriculture? Okay, nice question. Agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale. Do you understand?
So agriculture is just growing crops only.
Yes.
Crops and vegetables, fruit.
Yes. Everything
for
growing.
Human consumption.
Yes.
Oh. Trees also, some fruit trees.
Yes. Everything. Any doubts? Anyone else?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We will meet in the next video.